Search launch for missing 17-year-old girl from St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 17-year-old Karima Graham of Fairfield District, St. Elizabeth, who has been missing since Tuesday, November the 14th. She is of dark complexion, stout build, and about 173 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports are that sometime around 8 p.m., Karima was last seen at home wearing a red t-shirt and a pair of black pants. All efforts to locate her since then have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Karima Graham is being asked to contact the Junction Police Station at 876-475-0676, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.